This is Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. And today what we'll be looking at how to print variables on screen. If you have been using like application on your mobile phones, you'll notice that when you get to a point, they tell you enter your name or your phone number. And when you enter your name or your phone number and you click the button, you see it comes up and say welcome, then your name. Maybe if you type in John, it said welcome John, your telephone number 075, like that. So that is what we want to learn today, how to print variables on your screen. And to do that, I'll quickly bring up my environment up, and then what we need to do, we need to declare the variable first of all. And if we said our variable is integer, and we say, let's say our variable is age, and we know age is a number, and then we type 20, and we end the line of code with a semicolon. And then let's put a comment to just to tell ourselves what we want to do, and we can say printing to screen, and we said it's 20. So to print this out, what we need to do, we need to use system.out.print. Now we need to type in age inside this bracket, and then if we run it, 20 will be displayed on our screen here. Just waiting for it to, and you can see 20 is displayed. Now if we decide to print screen, and we said name, and our name we'll say Peter is our name, and in here we change this to name and run, it comes up as Peter. This is how you print to screen. Now there is something I want you to understand. If you looked at it, it said print. Now what this does is that it keeps printing on a particular line, and it will not print on the next line. Now for example, if we want to print both age and name, we call this age. Now if we try to print, you can see it's saying 20 Peter, both on the same line. Now how do we do this whereby 20 will be on top and Peter will be at the bottom, whereby 20 will be on one line and Peter will be on a separate line? To do this, we need to type ln there. You can see that's print line. That is, you have to print this on one line and then print the other one on another line, and then we'll put that ln. So if we run this, it will print both on different line. So what I advise you to do going forward is always print on a separate line, except if you want to just print on one line, but printing on different line will make your code, your output look clean and more readable. So this is where I'm going to end this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.